Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Canva account password step by step clearly. To reset your Canva account password, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Canva website. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. On the login screen, you will see a prompt that states Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a new page requesting your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Canva account. After entering your email, click the Send Link button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Canva. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and find the link to reset your password. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be taken to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong, secure password that you haven't used before. Re-enter the new password for confirmation. Once you've filled in both fields, click on the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been changed successfully. Now, return to the Canva login page. Enter your email address and your new password. Click the Login button to access your account. You have successfully reset your Canva password and can now use your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.